Shandong Yuantong Century Intelligent Technology Company Limited, originally founded in 1996, owns registered trademark BYT and produces different production lines for advertising, woodworking, and other intelligent technology product. Adhering to the concept of development and innovation, Yuantong Century keeps the leading position in CNC technology. With the development of the society, in order to satisfy the customer's requirements, our company has realized the manufacturing of diversified CNC electronic equipment and scaled professional production. We regard quality as company's life. We look to the world's first-class quality standard as reference. The whole manufacturing processes are meticulously and systemically controlled in order to guarantee the quality and precision. At Yuantong Century, research and development has been the cornerstone of innovation. We implement customized production to solve some of the industry's toughest problems. Our research and development team works with you to develop superior products that fit your special requirements. Now our products have been sold all over China, and with the CE and FDA certification, they are exported to the United States, Europe, South America, Middle East, totally more than 152 countries. In order to provide better service for customers, Yuantong Century construct Overseas Sales Center in Dubai and Overseas Technical Support Center. More convenience. We provide technology development and professional training for customers. Make sure they can use the machine stable and efficiency. What's more, the integrity, reliability, and high-quality products guarantee us the leading position among this field.